Marlo Heat Transfer Solutions, providing custom-engineered products for your unique applications for almost a century. QY and R coils are fluid coils with removable box headers to provide access to all of the tubes for quick inspection and easy cleaning. On Q coils, the removable box header is located on the supply header end of the coil. The Y coils header is at the fluid return end of the coil. And R coils' removable box headers are on both ends of the coil for straight-through cleaning. Contact your sales representative if your application requires the ASME U stamp. All coils are assembled and leak tested before shipping. QY and R coils are excellent choices for fluid environments that contain high amounts of sediment, like river or lake water. Easy access to the tubes inside of the box header for cleaning reduces fouling and restores the coil to peak performance. Contact an independent rep or Marlo sales expert by visiting www.marlocoil.com.